What's up guys? Good morning. Today, pupunta kami sa Okada. Isa sa mga luxury hotel dito sa Philippines. And hindi pa kami nakakapunta nung pumunta kami dito last year. So this time around, we're gonna go visit and then we're gonna stay there for 2 nights. So, chara! Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! What's up guys? We're in Okada. Let's go. We finally checked in. Let's go. These guys are excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Let's go. Ito na si ate. Nag-aantay sa atin. Let's go. Wow, look at these, bro. Let's go. Wow. Here we go. Room tour agad, bro.
Oh, the winning. Oh,
Room tour,
shoot.
bro.
Okay. So this is the bedroom / living room. Over here is surprisingly the bathroom. I thought it would be like somewhere enclosed. Wow, 2 toilet, standing shower.
Oh look, it opened by itself. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, this one's not. Oh, this is a standing shower.
Look at the pool, guys. Ito yung salamin in the bathroom. Look at the pool. Oh my gosh.
May isa pang pool, di ba?
Yeah, look, oh, wala masyado naliligo. Wow.
Is this free? Oh, look at this. They got.
Free?
Yeah.
No, I don't think
It
it's
is. Please feel free to. Oh, never mind.
free. Please free to enjoy our bar offerings. Item removed 60 seconds.
welcome.
Oh wow, look at this. Mr. Maurelius. Let's go.
So that's it, guys. But it's pretty big, honestly.
Yeah, it's nice.
I feel like that's even bigger than this.
Closet pala dito, guys. So, ito yung room nila Auntie Paneng. It's almost the same. Let's go. Yeah, there's a giraffe here, guys. Ang laki ng hotel na to, which is so bougie. It's a golf there. I'm gonna play golf in there. Who's gonna play golf with me? I think we're gonna be playing golf sometime our stay here. Tapos meron pang ano dito, obstacle thingy. Such a bougie hotel, guys. Oh my God. Would you like to go there, Alice? Yeah?
Oh, it's the red ball. When we're done eating lunch, can we go swimming?
Yes, sir. Saan tayo kakain, guys? Jollibee, may Jollibee, may Panda. Where should we eat? We don't know. I think we should just eat at Jollibee. First, Jollibee. Are you having fun already?
No, it's later go right Emil,
Huh?
you wanna go to swimming? Yes, swimming. Later, after we eat, okay? Please.
We have to eat first and then we're gonna go swimming.
And we can go drive the car.
Drive the car?
Yes.
Sino daw mag-drive ng car? Guys, eat muna kami and then we're gonna go swimming. Kasi hindi nga natuloy yung swimming namin the other day. So, excited na sila mag-swimming. So maglalakad muna kami doon sa side na to dito. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa side na yan. So maglalakad muna kami para pababa ng kinain. What do you have on your pocket, bro?
I got the new.
Extra rice. May natirang rice. So nilagay niya sa kanyang pocket. That's okay. Yeah, we could eat that later. Bro, it's already 2 p.m. We just ate lunch. So we might be eating dinner late, which is fine. I need to go to the gym too. Of course there's a gym here. I don't know. Let's go, boys! Mamayang gabi, magkakasino tayo. Let's go. Aming kainan dito, men. Dito pala gaganapin yung fountain. Yeah, it's a big fountain show mamayang gabi, guys. Every night yata dito may fountain show. So, for sure, manonood kami nun. Walking muna kami. There's casino. Laki na itong hotel na to, right? It's so big, eh?
Not well. This part is maybe not the actual hotel.
This is the
but
actual
actually
hotel.
The hotel
This is part of the yeah. This is part of the hotel.
There's another hotel over there.
Yeah. So it's big. It's like a mall, man. Wow. Just wow, eh. Ang laki. Pasok kami dito sa Christmas Carnival. Hello, Olivia. Mahal yan. May time pa naman tayo. So, okay, Olivia. Olivia, I'm thinking about you, Olivia. Look at this. It's Kobe. Doesn't even look like Kobe.
No, it doesn't. No, it does. His face. It's because of plastic. It's reflecting
Look at
on his face.
look. I just like to look. I don't like staying in one place if I'm not buying. Okay. Mura na nga to, no? 200. May mga short pa dito, oh. Look at that, guys. May ganito din ako dati. Ipapaganto mo yan, Emil, oh. Push it. Good job, Ellis. Good job, Emil. Okay, put it back now. Put it back. Oh, look, may mga point case. Magkano yung mga case dito kaya? Magkano po yung point case nyo? 500! Thank you po. Balikan ko. Oh, who wants to play basketball? Magkano? Let's play. We're taking 4 balls each, okay?
This is 100.
4 ball each. Good job, Kuya. Ang galing. Galing ni Kuya Elijah, no?
Hindi kasi yan sa maleta.
Inflatable naman yan daw. Yeah, check mo na kami damage. Hey! Thank you! No, right one no yung isa.
No, ito anak ko. It's for you.
Ayun.
Daddy, it's for you. Daddy,
Oh, thank you.
happy very advanced anniversary.
Oh, actually, yeah, next month.
Your anniversary is next month?
Yeah, when we start dating,
Oh yeah.
January.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you, Kuya. Tinan mo, galit na galit. Gusto niya ng brown, ng white.
I want to go now, please, Daddy.
Ito naman, gusto niya mag-swimming.
Of course.
Of course. Guys, naswertehan pa ni Kuya Elijah. Good job, man.
Imagine if I didn't make that.
Time to go back to the room, get changed, and then swim. Where's the pool, guys? Let's go. May bar, let's go. Wow, look at this. Hello. Say ka muna sa vlog ko, Kuya.
Hi, hello! Hello vlog! Welcome to Coral Mill Pool. By the way po, my name is Sherwin.
Sherwin.
Yes sir!
Si Sanderford.
Sander po.
Marlu.
Pogi version sir.
Pogi version, yan. Naloloko ka naman, Kuya, eh. Kuya Elijah is right there. Yung dalawa is right there. Hi, Emel. Hello. Hi, Kuya Alice. See, let me see your swimming. Wow. Guys, di kami nakapag-sunblock. It's okay. Ang goal ko naman is umitim ng mas maitim pa sa KRC. Go. Put your head in the water. Yeah. Make bubbles. Malalim ba to, Kuya Elijah? It's cold. Cannonball. Oh, I need to do a lap, bro.
Man, I can't see you now, I guess. He's gone. I can't even see him. Did you guys see him underwater? Sorry. Ooh, you should try this.
Oh, I feel like I'm suffocating.
I know, see?
How the heck do you do this thing? Guys, swimming is done. And nandito na din sila. We're gonna go meet them downstairs maya-maya, I think. Nandun sila sa coffee shop eh. So yeah, manonood kami ng water show, fountain show, and then may circus din down sa baba. So we're gonna be watching some shows later. But time to do some work first. Okay guys, bumaba kami. Pero hindi namin kasama yung mga bata. Hanapin namin sila Ming Ming. Hanap namin sila. Nandun daw sila sa Coffee Bean eh. Namin yung mga gagandang store dito. Guys, may mga shoe stores. Tapos mga electronics, shoe game. May Guess din dito. But Guess is like it's a cheap brand. Well, I guess sa Philippines medyo luxury na yung Guess. Meron din Kate Spade. Meron din doon Lacoste. Meron yung Michael Kors, may Pandora, may Joe Malone, Tommy Hilfiger. Daming tao dito, men. Dinadayo pala to talaga ng mga tao. So, we're in the right place. Ang ganda pati nung itong taas, guys. Tingnan nyo. Papakilala ko kayo sa mga pinsan namin. Hindi ko kasi sila napakilala ng maayos. Last time na nandito kami sa Philippines. So, let's find them. Here's Bebu. Hi. Say hi, Bebu.
Who's that?
Say hi. Si paring Ken. And then si Madam Sexy Norma. Ganda ba ng hat ko, Ken?
Saka na lang.
Ha?
Kahit naman, tapos hindi mo bibigay.
Hindi, bibigyan kita isa. Meron akong dala. Ikaw pa ba? Malakas ka sa akin eh. Friends na kami ni Bebu.
Bebu.
Bebu, kiss nito. You're my new favorite now. Hindi na si Ate Olivia. Si Madam, nagsha-shopping. Pang regalo para kay La Olivia and Shella. Bigyan kami ng discount ni ate. Buy one, get one free daw. Oh. Basta kasama siya sa vlog. No, ate? No, buy one, get one free, no. Bayan, te. Kala ko naman may discount dito. Ang baby flower Calista. Guys, kung ano ang nasa labas, parang din sa loob. Kanya-kanya, siksikan. Parang alam mo yung umatin ng concert, gate crasher eh, no? Walang first come first serve eh. Tulakan eh. Guys, ito pala si Ming Ming. And then si Piolo. Si Piolo. Papi. Papa P. No, this is Randall. Hi, Bebo.
Say hi to the Marlon.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi. Hi, what's up, vlog? Welcome to my guys. Alright guys, it's dinner time. We're all tired and